Today, we are making my absolute favorite comfort food, super creamy white sauce pasta. First, our pasta goes into a bubbly hot tub. Let it cook until it's nice and soft. Splash! Oopsie! Next, we melt some butter and dance some garlic and crunchy veggies in the pan. Let it sizzle, sizzle, sizzle! Woohoo!
Now we add a little bit of flour to make the magic base. Stir it fast before it clumps up. Pour in the milk. Watch it turn into a beautiful, silky white river. Wow! And now, snowfall of cheese. It makes everything so gooey and happy. A pinch of herbs, a little pepper, and... Chew! Oh dear, the pepper made me puff up. So rich, so creamy, and perfectly glossy. Good job, team! My signature white sauce pasta. Go grab a fork, try it out, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye!